Saudi Arabia, the country of oil, deserts, and the future. When people hear the name, a few things usually come to mind: oil, vast deserts, and incredible wealth. But this mysterious country in the Middle East is far more complex than many people realize. It is the birthplace of Islam, home to two of the most sacred cities in the world, and one of the most influential nations on the planet. Today, we're exploring the history, culture, economy, and future of Saudi Arabia. And by the end of this video, you might see this desert kingdom in a completely new way. Round pushpin location and geography. Saudi Arabia is located in the heart of the Middle East and is the largest country on the Arabian Peninsula. It shares borders with countries like, and most of the country is covered by desert, including the famous, one of the largest sand deserts on Earth. Despite the harsh climate, Saudi Arabia has stunning natural landscapes, from mountains in the west to beautiful coastlines along the Indus. The capital city is a rapidly growing metropolis that blends tradition with futuristic architecture. Bust and silhouette population and culture. Saudi Arabia has a population of around 36 million people. The official language is Arabic, and the official religion is Islam. In fact, Saudi Arabia is home to and the two holiest cities in Islam. Every year, millions of Muslims from around the world travel to Mecca to perform one of the largest religious gatherings on earth. Saudi culture is deeply rooted in Islamic traditions, hospitality, and family values. However, the country has been going through major cultural changes in recent years, including cinemas reopening, concerts being allowed, and women gaining more rights in society. The oil powerhouse. Saudi Arabia is often called the energy giant of the world. That's because it sits on some of the largest oil reserves on Earth. The state-owned oil company is one of the most valuable companies in the world. For decades, oil exports have been the backbone of the Saudi economy, making the country extremely wealthy and influential in global energy markets. Saudi Arabia also plays a key role in the Global Oil Alliance, which helps control oil production and influence global prices. But today, the country is working hard to reduce its dependence on oil. Rocket Vision 2030, the future plan. Saudi Arabia is currently undergoing one of the most ambitious transformation plans in modern history. Under the leadership of the country launched a strategy called. The goal is to diversify the economy and prepare for a future where oil may no longer dominate. This includes building futuristic cities like a $500 billion megacity planned in the desert. One of its most famous projects is a revolutionary linear city designed to run entirely on renewable energy with zero cars and zero carbon emissions. If successful, these projects could completely transform Saudi Arabia's global image. Mosque religion and global influence. Because of Mecca and Medina, Saudi Arabia holds enormous influence across the Muslim world. The country also manages the annual Hajj pilgrimage, hosting millions of visitors each year. This religious importance gives Saudi Arabia a unique position in global politics and culture. At the same time, the country has been expanding its international influence through investments, tourism projects, and global events. Tourism and new opportunities. For decades, tourism in Saudi Arabia was mostly limited to religious pilgrims. But recently, the government opened the country to international tourism for the first time. Visitors can now explore ancient sites like beautiful Red Sea Islands and massive entertainment festivals in Riyadh. Saudi Arabia is investing billions to turn itself into a major global travel destination. Balance scale challenges and criticism. Despite its rapid transformation, Saudi Arabia still faces challenges. The country has often been criticized for human rights issues and restrictions on political freedoms. However, supporters argue that the nation is gradually changing and modernizing faster than ever before. The coming decades will likely determine how successfully Saudi Arabia balances tradition with modernization. Crystal ball the future of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia stands at a fascinating crossroads. It is a nation deeply rooted in tradition, yet racing toward a futuristic vision. With massive investments, ambitious projects, and global influence, the country could become one of the most important innovation hubs of the 21st century. Whether it's energy, religion, or futuristic cities, Saudi Arabia will continue to shape the future of the Middle East and the world. Clapperboard outro. And that's Saudi Arabia, a country of ancient history, massive wealth, and bold ambitions. From the holy city of Mecca to the futuristic skyline of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia is a place where tradition meets the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more country overviews from around the world.